Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to speed up or slow down a video in Camtasia. First, open Camtasia, import a video. Then right click on the video and select Add Clip Speed. Then go to the properties and here you can change the clip speed by changing the amount from here. If you want to speed up the video, just increase the number from here. Change it to 5 and you can see the video is speed up and the video gets shorter. To slow down the video, just do the opposite. Change the number to 0.50. And here you can see the video gets more longer than before and it's slowed down. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.